In this video, I will show you how to connect a Godaddy domain to Shopify. To get started, go ahead and open your Shopify account. So go ahead and open Shopify on your browser. And here, go ahead and head over into the settings section of Shopify. Click on the settings tab at the bottom left corner of your screen, and that will redirect you into this section. Here, go ahead and hit on the apps and sales channels and above customer events. So go ahead and click on domains to be able to find and add a domain to your Shopify website. So in here, go ahead and click on connect existing domain. So click on that button to be able to connect your Godaddy existing domain into your Shopify website. So you'll need to simply enter the link to your Godaddy domain, and from there you can host your website using your personal domain. And that is how you can simply connect a Godaddy domain to Shopify. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.